Hey there, fashion enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest trends and timeless classics. Today, we're tackling something that's buzzing in the world of style. What is an A-frame hat? Especially with 2025 right on the horizon, this hat is making waves as a must-have accessory. So, grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in. First off, you might be wondering, what exactly is an A-frame hat? Well, it's a cleverly designed headwear piece that draws its name from the classic A-frame structure. Think of those triangular roofs on cozy cabins. This hat features a distinctive peaked shape, with a wide brim that slopes upward to form an A at the top. It's not just a fashion statement, it's practical too, offering excellent sun protection and ventilation for outdoor adventures. Now, let's talk about its origins. The A-frame hat evolved from utilitarian designs used in hiking and mountaineering back in the mid-20th century, but it's gotten a modern makeover. In 2025, we're seeing it trend big time thanks to sustainable materials like recycled fabrics and eco-friendly dyes. Imagine a hat that's both stylish and kind to the planet, perfect for festivals, beach days, or even urban strolls. What sets the A-frame hat apart? For starters, its adjustable straps and lightweight build make it super comfortable for all-day wear. Plus, it comes in a variety of colors and patterns, from neutral earth tones to vibrant prints, so you can match it to your personal style. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast hitting the trails or a city dweller looking for a unique edge, this hat adds a touch of adventure to any outfit. If you're thinking about adding one to your wardrobe, 2025 is the year to do it. Check out online stores or local boutiques for options that fit your vibe. We'd love to hear in the comments. Do you already own an A-frame hat, or is this your first time hearing about it? Thanks for watching, folks. If you enjoyed this quick guide, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more trend insights, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay stylish and stay curious.